Searching for budget studio monitors feels like walking into a room where everyone's wearing the same outfit. Same size, same black box, same studio quality claims. But here's the thing, just because two speakers look alike doesn't mean they sound alike. And if you're mixing music or building a home setup, that difference matters way more than you think. Product number 1, Mackie CR 3.5. Let's kick things off with the Mackie CR 3.5. At around $126, this is one of the most affordable powered studio monitors out there. And honestly, it's a solid entry point. Mackie's known for reliable gear, and these come with a tone knob and location switch, features you usually don't see at this price. If you want decent sound for casual music production, gaming, or just better desktop audio without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The tone knob lets you go from flat, honest studio sound to something with more bass and sparkle. Perfect if you're switching between mixing and just chilling with music. The location switch adjusts the sound based on whether you're placing them on a desk or a shelf, which helps avoid muddy bass when they're up close. With 50 watts of power and a 3.5-inch woofer, they get loud enough for small rooms, and the silk dome tweeter keeps highs clean without being harsh. Plus, you get RCA, TRS, and a 3.5mm input, so hooking up your laptop, interface, or even a console is easy. Now, some people complained about the lack of real bass, and they're not wrong. These won't rattle your desk like a subwoofer would. The low end is present, but it's polite. If you're mixing heavy electronic music or hip-hop, you might find yourself wishing for more thump. But here's the thing. For the price, the clarity and flexibility make up for it. These aren't meant to replace Pro Gear. They're meant to get you started without sounding like garbage. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner producer, a student, or someone setting up a small home studio on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need deep, accurate low-end response or plan to mix critical tracks. For under $130, it's a steal for what it delivers. Product number 2, Yamaha HS3. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious audio work, the Yamaha HS3. Priced at $290, it's a step up in both cost and quality. Yamaha's HS series has a legendary reputation, and the HS3 brings that studio-grade sound into a compact, budget-friendly package. If you want accurate sound that won't lie to you during mixing, this is where things start getting real. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3.5-inch woofer and 0.75-inch dome tweeter are tuned for flat, neutral response, exactly what you need to hear your mix as it truly is. The 70 Hz to 22 kHz frequency range means you'll catch most of the important details, and the room control and high trim knobs let you adjust for your space. That's huge, because even great speakers sound bad in a bad room. With XLR, TRS, RCA, and MIDI inputs, you can connect pro interfaces, mixers, or even your phone. The wooden cabinet reduces resonance, which means cleaner sound, and the included anti-slip pads help with placement. Now, some people complained about the lack of Bluetooth or modern features, and yeah, it's a bit old school. No wireless, no flashy lights, just pure function. If you're used to convenience features, this might feel basic. But here's the thing, studio monitors aren't about flash. They're about truth, and the HS3 delivers that in spades. It won't wow you with bass, but it won't flatter your mix either, and that's the point. This is perfect for you if you're serious about mixing, recording vocals, or want a reliable reference speaker that won't color your sound. Skip this one if you want deep bass or wireless connectivity. At $290, it's a serious investment for the quality, and one that will last years. Product number 3, PreSonus Iris 3.5. Now, if the Yamaha's price gave you pause, the PreSonus Iris 3.5 might be your sweet spot. Also around $126, it's a direct competitor to the Mackie CR 3.5, but with a few key upgrades. PreSonus is big in the home studio world, and these monitors pack a surprising punch for the price. If you want accurate sound with room tuning controls and solid connectivity, this is a killer budget pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 50 watts of Class AB amplification means these get loud without distortion. And the woven composite woofer delivers tight, responsive bass you can actually feel. The 1-inch silk dome tweeter gives you a wide sweet spot, so you don't have to sit perfectly centered to hear the stereo image. But the real win? The high and low frequency tuning controls. You can boost or cut bass and treble to match your room, which is a game changer if you're in a small or untreated space. Plus, front panel aux input and headphone jack make switching between speakers and headphones effortless. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit cheap, and yeah, it's not as solid as wood or metal. If you're rough with gear or want something that looks pro on camera, this might not hit the mark. But here's the thing. Sound matters more than looks. And for under $130, the Iris 3.5 delivers clarity, control, and flexibility that rivals speakers twice its price. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a home studio, podcasting, or producing music on a budget. Skip this one if you need ultra-deep bass or plan to place them far from your listening position. For the price, it's one of the best values out there.
Product number 4. Mackie CR5BT. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. The Mackie CR5BT. At $252, it's a bigger step up, but you get a 5.25-inch woofer, Bluetooth, and 100 watts of power. If you want bigger sound, modern connectivity, and still keep that Mackie reliability, this is a serious contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger woofer means deeper, fuller bass. You'll actually feel kick drums and synth lines, which the smaller 3.5-inch models just can't deliver. The tone knob and location switch are still here, so you can tweak the sound for your space. But the Bluetooth is a nice touch. Quick pairing with your phone or tablet means you can test mixes on the fly, or just play music without cables. With RCA, TRS, and 3.5-inch plugs, plus a headphone jack, it plays nice with everything from interfaces to gaming consoles. Now, some people complained about the bass being a bit boomy in small rooms, and that's fair. Without proper placement or room treatment, the low end can get muddy. But here's the thing, that's true of any speaker with real bass. Use the tone knob wisely and it's not an issue. These aren't flat reference monitors like the Yamaha HS3, but they're more fun and flexible. This is perfect for you if you want a do-it-all speaker for music, gaming, and casual production, with modern features. Skip this one if you need ultra-accurate mixing or work in a very small, untreated room. At $252, it's a great middle ground between budget and performance. Product number 5, Atom Audio T7V. Now, if you're ready to step into pro-level sound without selling a kidney, the Atom Audio T7V is where things get serious. At $366 for a single speaker, so $732 for a pair, it's the priciest on this list, but it's also in a different league. Atom is known for their ribbon tweeters, and the T7V brings that clarity to a surprisingly affordable package. If you want detailed, revealing sound that helps you make better mixing decisions, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The UART tweeter delivers insane high-frequency detail. You'll hear reverb tails, breath sounds, and stereo imaging like never before. The 70-watt biamp design and 39Hz low end mean these go deep and loud without breaking up. The rear bass port and DSP-based room filters let you place them almost anywhere and still get balanced sound. Whether you're mixing vocals, mastering tracks, or just listening critically, these tell you the truth, no sugarcoating. Now, some people complained about the price, and yeah, $700 plus for a pair is steep for budget. Also, no Bluetooth or front inputs means it's all business. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your craft, this is the kind of speaker that grows with you. It won't need replacing in a year. This is perfect for you if you're a serious producer, audio engineer, or want a long-term studio investment. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. But if you can swing it, these are worth every penny.
So which one's right for you? The Mackie CR 3.5 and PreSonus Iris 3.5 are great under $130. Iris edges ahead with tuning controls. The Mackie CR5BT adds size and Bluetooth for $252. Yamaha HS3, pure accuracy at $290. And if you're ready to invest, the Atom T7V delivers pro sound. No matter your budget, there's a monitor here that won't lie to your ears.